So now let's see how we can work around with Smart Trim presets inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So over here you can see that this is the quick view right here, the quick editing mode that is, and over here you can see that I have a clip. So I'm just going to go around and then I'm going to click on the scissor icon right here, and I'm going to go around and choose Smart Trim. So once I do that, over here on the top you can see that show presets is an option, and over here you can go around and try a suitable preset right here. Like you can go around and choose people or action or mix right here. Let me just go around and choose people right here, and it says all the selected scenes will be removed right here. And now what happens is that it analyzes out the media which is there, and it tries to detect the people and select out the portion of the clip accordingly right here. So you can see that it is analyzing the media right there. So it is continuing over here just like this. It's detecting the scenes and everything else right here, and it will go out and select out that particular section right here. So you can see that it does take a bit of time, and that is normal, and depending on the length of the clip as well. And you can see that it actually went out and focused out on the people portion right here. So you can see that it detected out the people right here and selected out the particular clip right here. You can go around and make it less or more right here just like this. You can go around and select less or more, and then you can see that this is what you have right here. Similarly, you can go around and choose action as well, and then it selected out all of the actions in the scene, as you can see right here. And you can also go around and choose mix right here, and once you do that, what happens is that it selects out a mix of action and people right here, so which is this particular portion right here, just like this. So this is what you have. If you just want to focus on action or this mix or people right here, and you can go around, make it less or more right here, just like this, and then you can select out the particular clips portion over here automatically, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the Smart Trim preset inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.